Hi everyone, welcome to my channel is Crochet and welcome to another video. As you see the title, this video is about crochet woven covers plus patterns. So at the end of this video, you will get different patterns for your woven cover. Putting covers to your kitchen gadgets actually save them from any dust particles and it looks really amazing. Plus it looks very decent, delicate. It really change your overall kitchen look as well. The patterns shared in this video are really easy to make. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily make them. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily make these covers because there are no complicated stitches. Making the cover more attractive is putting on some flowers and petals as well. It is totally up to you that which yarn color you want to use, either light or dark colors. You can even use the fillet crochet patterns to make the woven cover. The thread used in these covers are actually wool, but you can use any type of thread which you want. So you see here different types of designs. Some are only designs that covers the top of the surface, while some covers the whole of the oven or microwave. Or there are some designs that only covers the top and the sides. It is very easy to make, just adding your own creativity in it. You can also take inspiration from this video as well. Watch the complete video. Watch more video on my channel, and if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel. Share your valuable suggestions in the comment section and watch more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.